Good day! Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa order of operation. Sa ngayon, PEMDAS ang tawag at noong kapanahunan ko, MTAS ang tawag o my dear Aunt Sally. Hanggang ngayon, marami ang nalilito sa lesson na ito. Minabuti kong i-explain sa inyo upang mas maliwanagan kayo kung ano ba talaga ang order of operations. Ang kahulugan ng PEMDAS. The acronym stands for parenthesis, exponents, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. Let's have an example. 14 minus 2 times 3 plus 2. Uunahin natin ngayon ang 2 times 3. Isusulat natin bilang 14 minus 6 plus 2. Dahil nakuha na natin ang product ng 2 times 3 at wala namang division, proceed na tayo from left to right. 14 minus 6 is 8, plus 2 is equal to 10. Now, let us prove that our answer is correct using the number line. The numbers on the right side of 0 are called positive integers, while the numbers on the left side are called negative integers. Kapag ang operation natin ay addition, papunta ang pointer sa kanan. Kapag ang operation ay subtraction, papunta ito sa kaliwa. Balik tayo sa ating problem. From the number line, we will mark this as 14. The next step is subtract 6 from 14. Ang pointer ngayon ay papunta sa kaliwa. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Asan na yung pointer? Tama, nasa 8 na siya ngayon. Now, let's go to the next operation, which is addition, going to the right. 1 and 2. Asan na yung pointer? Yes, nasa 10 na siya. That is why our answer 10 is correct. Let's have another example. Now, let's prove that our answer is correct. Starting from 3, we are subtracting 18 units. That is why we are moving towards the left. So this is 5, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Where did we stop? It points to negative 15. Now, let's go to the next step. Negative 15 plus 2. The next operation is addition. That is why we are going to the right. 1 and 2. The pointer points to negative 13. Therefore, our answer is correct. Let's have another example. Let us prove that our answer is correct. Our answer is correct. Let's have another example. The final answer is -4. Let's check if it is correct. The pointer points to the correct answer, -4. How about this one? Can you find the number? Sana marami na ang lubusang naintindihan ang Order of Operations o PEMDAS.